Hi guys, this is nice math problem. 9 minus 4 bracket 9 minus 4 is equal what? Here 9 minus 4 give us 5 times 9 minus 4 gives us 5. 5 times 5 gives us 25, but it is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS method, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right. Here addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore now I have to work with this parenthesis. Here 9 minus 4 times 9 minus 4 gives us 5. Now I have to work with multiplication. Here 4 times 5 gives us 20. This minus this 9. 9 minus 20 gives us minus 11. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.